This is the afternoon video update. This is for Monday, the 7th of April. This is James Spann. Hey, winter is back. You know, just a couple of days ago, we had upper 80s. Forget that for a while. A whole different situation today. Here's the upper air look. And the trough is slowly progressing eastward. It's a very slow-moving trough, as we all know. And again, we're socked in with clouds. Now, if you're in the northwestern tip of the state, if you're up around Waterloo, you might have a few breaks, got a few little thin spots over parts of central and southwest Alabama, but most locations are cloudy. And look at this. The rain is still hanging tough over east and south Alabama. We got light rain falling. This is kind of a nuisance-type rain, generally east of a line from Huntsville to Birmingham down to Fairhope. And that will slowly get out of here tonight, and the sky should gradually clear after midnight. Wow. So some spots are 40 degrees colder today compared to Saturday. Look at Coleman, 46. Saturday they had 86. That's a big weather change. Birmingham at 51. Huntsville, upper 40s at 49. And Dothan still hanging on to 62. But look at Mobile, 54 today. This could be winter's last gasp. And boy, what a bizarre mix of watches and mornings across the southeastern states. Now for North Alabama, the counties in blue on that map, that is a freeze watch for Wednesday morning. This would include Lamar, Fayette, Walker, Jefferson, Shelby, Talladega, Clay, Randolph, and counties north for the possibility of freezing temperatures Wednesday morning. To the east, a flash flood watch for parts of Georgia and also a tornado watch for parts of east and southeast Georgia and South Carolina on the other side of the front. And to the north, we have freeze warnings in effect tonight from Kansas to parts of Ohio and West Virginia, the counties in dark blue on that map. Strong to severe storms on the South Atlantic coast today. And tomorrow, no severe storms expected around the nation for the first time in a while. And on day 3, which is Wednesday, we see really no chance of severe storms here, most likely for the next 2 weeks. And that's a pretty remarkable calm spell considering the fact this is April. Here's a look at rain for the next 7 days, and not a lot. This is basically the rain we see today. This started at 7 o'clock this morning, and we could see a few little spotty showers Thursday night or Friday, but we just don't see any big high-impact rain event after today, through the weekend, and through really much of next week. So let's talk about it. Model fans. This is the GFS, the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 4, and you can see the trough slowly pushing eastward. The sky becoming mostly sunny. The high will be in the 60s in most spots after starting off the day, around 40. And it's possible we could see a few 30s where the sky clears in northwest Alabama, but the bigger concern for frost is Wednesday. These are projected lows early Wednesday morning coming off the HRRR, high-resolution rapid refresh. And again, for about the northern half of the state, there's going to be a lot of frost, widespread. And many spots will likely see a freeze. We'll see upper 20s and low 30s. So growers beware. You should know that. Every year we have a late season cold snap, and this is our late season cold snap. The day Wednesday will be sunny with a high in the upper 60s and low 70s. Thursday, we'll see 70 statewide. And a cold front will be pushing south, and that's going to bring a little band of showers into North Alabama Thursday evening and Thursday night. Moisture very limited, no severe storms, probably not much rain at all. And then Friday, the front just drifting through. Highs go back in the 60s, just a chance of isolated showers. Really no big deal. And then Saturday, as the weekend begins, we should be cool and dry. Now, Saturday morning, understand, we could see some of the colder pockets in the upper 30s. And there might be a touch of light frost, but in terms of a really widespread big frost, we think the last of the season is going to be Wednesday morning. The high Saturday should be in the 60s. Sunday, we start the day down in the low 40s. The high Sunday will be in the 70s. Beautiful day. And a week from today, this is Monday, the 14th of April, troughing well to the north. The zonal flow down below that. And once again, we're dry. And we should be pretty warm. A good chance we'll see highs getting up into the low 80s this afternoon, or Monday afternoon. That's a week from today. Let's go out 10 days. This is Thursday of next week, April 17th. Got a ridge building across the middle of the nation. That certainly means a quiet pattern there. Highs around 80, lows should be in the 50s. Rain for Birmingham coming off the European ensemble between now and the 22nd of April. little over 1 inch. And really, that's not that much, but understand we really don't need a lot of rain after what's happened here in the last couple of days. Understand Spanish Fort had over 1 foot of rain on the eastern shore of Mobile Bay. Many spots going over 4 inches, just huge rain amounts the past couple of days. Temperatures coming off the national blend of models for Birmingham. 61 tomorrow, upper 60s on Wednesday, and again Wednesday morning, what do we have there? 36. And again, that's in the city. Remember, you get away from the city, the urban heat island, and it's going to be colder than that. A lot of places will be in the low and mid-30s, colder pockets, upper 20s, widespread frost, a freeze for some. That's Wednesday morning. And then highs go back in the 60s Friday and Saturday, 70s Sunday, low 80s for much of next week. And just in latest 8 to 14-day guidance, this is for April 15th through April 21st. Temperatures a little above average. So let's roll some Children's of Alabama Kid Cam. That's what we do. I love those third graders. You know that. I would teach third grade science all day. This is Mathis Elementary School in Foley, Baldwin County. Oh, we had a great crowd in the lunchroom today talking about the science of weather. And, you know, I really like what they gave me. That's some healthy snacks right there. That's outstanding. But we talked a lot about hurricanes. Hurricane season's about to begin for the Alabama Gulf Coast in a couple of months. Talked about thunderstorms, tornadoes, winter storms, and much more. What a great, great group today. So again, to these amazing third graders at Mathis Elementary in Foley. Thanks a lot for a great visit earlier today. You know, you guys are looking good. So tomorrow going to be at Lynn Fanning Elementary School up on the other end of the state, up in Meridianville, up near the Tennessee state line. And then Good Hope Elementary in Cullman County. Thursday, Walter Kennedy Elementary School in Pell City, then the Hunter Street Baptist Church pre-K program, the little ones. And then Friday, going to be down in Elmore County at Holtsville Middle School. A lot of fun. And again, I think we do not have a book signing this Saturday. We'll probably kick it back up next week. But again, as soon as I get the schedule back from the publisher, we will pass that on to you. Don't forget, it's Monday night. Hey, it's Weather Brains night. The weekly show for weather geeks, dweebs, nerds, dorks, and weenies. 7 o'clock Central, youtube.com/weatherbrains. And we have so much fun doing that show. We do it every Monday night. Of course, the audio podcast is how most people listen. That'll be out late tonight. And as always, we invite you to watch us on the television side this evening, right across the hall in Studio A, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.